Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to not lag in Capcut PC. First thing is minimize it and open your desktop. If you right click on the taskbar, you will find here this task manager. Open it. Here you will find some of apps that running in background. You can also view here their CPU usage and their GPU usage. If you are experience lagging issues in Capcut, firstly you have to stop apps that running in background by just clicking right click and end task. So this was the first step. The second one is you have to do some of settings in Capcut. Open the Capcut, click on this menu and open settings. Here you will be on this project settings. First of all, you have to select this auto delete cache. Select 15 days and you will find here this cache size. So after closing every project, you can simply clear this cache. Open this second edit and here change this frame rate 30 to 24 if you are facing lag issue in Capcut PC. Then the last step of performance, you have to check this interface rendering with GPU. If you have graphic card installed in your PC or laptop, you have to check this, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.